Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is King by 8-inch metal hanging planter basket. As orchids mostly grow on trees, they often hang down into a wonderful waterfall of flowers. Orchid plants can be hung in a hanging basket. It is a space-saving method that can also be quite unique and original. You must select the appropriate orchid variety. When considering humidity, light, air circulation, and watering, it's clear that all of these variables will change. You should also consider whether you want to hang this basket inside or outside. When potting your orchids in a basket, use the same pot that they came in. This will assist the plant in quickly adapting to its new surroundings. It's also easier to remove a sick orchid plant if there are several orchid plants in the same basket. You can hide the plant in the basket with its own pot with some bark or moss, which will make it look much nicer. Let's watch more.
This new King by indoor-outdoor planter. It's a hanging basket planter and it has this coconut liner, and I'm so excited because I just stopped and picked up a bunch of African violets that need a little place to hang out. So today we can plant them and check this out and set it all up. The liner is an eco-friendly cocoa core liner made from 100% natural coconut fiber. And the preformed cocoa liner helps to keep it so that the plants are moist, but also can still breathe and promotes the growth of them. So you can just put whatever growing medium you want in. I usually mix like perlite, orchid bark, some soil, and then you can just put it right on into here, and it's not like it falls through or anything because it has such a great coconut liner. The heavy-duty bolted iron frame and the 3-chain hanger are coated with an anti-rust powder, so they're safe to use indoors or outdoors for years to come. So I'm really excited about this. It looks so great hanging indoors or outdoors. You can easily adjust the height of the clips just by taking off or adding new little pieces of the metal to it. And it just would look so cute, especially if you had multiple of these kind of hanging at different levels. It just looks really nice in the house. It'll look so great outside too. And I just really think that this is so cute. So I really like this King by planter. It looks really cute, and I like that I can hang it inside and outside. So like for the rest of the winter, I'll probably have it indoors, but then I'll switch to outdoors in the summertime. It looks really nice. It's so easy to plant because you can like clip and unclip these. So you can just do your whole planting and organizing all of that and then clip it together. And it just looks really adorable. So I am a big fan of this King by metal hanging planter basket with the coconut liner. And I definitely recommend checking it out.
Our second best pot for orchids is Trude clear orchid pots. These pots have a lot of holes on the bottom and sides for better moisture drainage and airflow. The transparent body of the pots allows more light to reach the orchid's roots. These pots are made of high-quality PP plastic and are suitable for use both indoors and out. With the orchid pots, the rate of water and nutrient element uptake is increased, and therefore ideal aerobic conditions can be achieved to promote healthy root growth. The plant pots with holes are specifically designed for Orchidaceae, such as orchid, dendrobium, cattleya. It also suitable for common plants, as well as they are great flower pots for orchids, works better than ceramic pot, less weight and better airflow. The orchid pots come with root control design. 28 side slotted holes can effectively lead lateral roots grow better and distribute uniformly. The slits allow more airflow to the root zone, prunes the root structure and prevents circling. The clear pots have 18 holes and 12 slits at the bottom, allow better drainage for orchids, promote orchids growth through aeration. Made of high quality PP plastic, clear looking, you can see the plant root clearly, no worry about its health. For details, let's watch more. third choice in our list is Repot Slotted Clear Orchid Pot Set. Repot makes some of the best orchid pots on the market. This model comes in a set of 3 3-inch, 4 4-inch, 5 5-inch, and 6 6-inch pots. These colorful plastic orchid pots are perfect for growing small orchids both outside and inside. The sturdy pots are UV protected and come in an 8-piece set in 4 colors. The pot slots and shape encourage root growth without choking the plant. The side and bottom vents on this product will provide excellent airflow and drainage for your orchid. Furthermore, thanks to the transparent pot set, your orchids will enjoy all of the sunlight on their roots. These orchid pots are available for purchase here. With 46 slots around and beneath the pot, you can be sure your orchid will enjoy uniform moisture levels throughout the potting mix. These slot pots have more drainage capacity at the base than any other single pot we carry. That's important to help prevent trouble caused by too much moisture at the root zone. Number 4 in our side is clear orchid pots. The clear plastic pot is the most popular orchid container. Clear plastic pots allow you to see your plant's roots, allowing you to determine whether they require watering or are still damp. You can also easily determine whether or not the plant requires repotting. It means the roots are wet if they are bright green. As a result, the plant does not require watering. If the roots are silvery, the plant is dehydrated and needs to be watered. Clear plastic pots aren't the best option. But I have some good news for you. This pot could be replaced with a more attractive pot. This will also make your plant more stable, as orchids are top-heavy, and clear pots are prone to tipping due to their light weight. The clear orchid pot allows the orchid's roots to receive the nutrients they need to grow from the light and air. The clear orchid pot allows you to observe the state of the roots and the moistness of the substratum. Plastic orchid pots let you swap out decorative flower pots based on your interior without damaging the plant. Last in our top 5 best pot for orchids list is Umcono Plastic Planter Pot. Umcono plant pots are specifically designed for Orchidaceae, such as orchid, dendrobium, cattleya. It also suitable for common plants. Please kindly note that it is suitable for growing small plants with shallow root system due to the 4-inch inner pots. By using the Umcono orchid pots, the rate of water and nutrient element uptake is increased and therefore ideal aerobic conditions can be achieved to promote healthy root growth. Root control design. Slotted pot can effectively lead lateral roots grow better and distribute uniformly. The nets allow more airflow to the root zone, prunes the root structure and prevent circling. Outer and inner pots set, both of pots have holes in the bottom, allow better drainage for orchids. The inner pots with slotted vented sides promote orchids growth through aeration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.